once you get stuck halfway.
Yeah, I was afraid of it.
Let that hand slide.
Good job, Whit.
Yay! Very top?
Yep. Both hands up there for me.
Yeah.
Hand there.
Hot dog.
Been watching too much Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Hot dog. I got that burned into my brain.
Woohoo!
Watch out.
Hello.
Go, Catherine!
I gotta find.
It's not bad, is it?
No, it's fun. Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
Are you videoing right now?
Yeah.
Videoing.
Oh snap!
You better behave.
I know, right? Tag my wife in it.
Yeah.
Go, Catherine!
Go, Catherine! Oh, let your hand slide.
There you go.
Gotta make it.
We gotta have proof that Mom did something
Go,
dangerous.
Christy!
Good job, Catherine.
We're videoing you, Christy. Make it good.
Alright, just step down.
I'm going too low. It's the lefty.
She's not gonna live as long.
Lefty.
Good job, Mom.
Woohoo!
Top step for me. Both hands up there. Awesome. That wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
Alright.
What's the next one? Where do we go? Oh.
Easy on the brake, no squeezing.
Donnie, there's a perfect one for you.
Hey Donnie, are you holding braking at all?
Yeah.
Don't brake. Don't brake.
What?
Come on, Mom.
Hey, she's moving on.
There you go.
Oh, there you go. Oh no, Kevin!
Come on down. You're the next contestant. You know what? I miss that show. I really do. Drew Carey just he didn't have it.
He doesn't do it.
He didn't cut it. Just Bob Barker was the best. All right. There we go.
What are we talking about? Weather?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna get pictures of me too, ain't you?
Yeah.
All right.
Bubba, right?
Yep.
They have my mother-in-law scrapbook in as Bubba. She's the scrapbooker.
Oh.
I'm nervous.
Ready?
Hey, don't blow it, Whitney.
All right. Yeah. Mackenzie Jade will be born.
Mackenzie Jade.
Jade.
I like that.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, my first little girl, she just had her tonsils and adenoids and tubes in her ears.
Oh,
and
man.
bubble
Tons
cut
of
out of her
stuff.
lip, dude. Dude, I felt like total crap.
Yeah.
You know, just her feeling like crap, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
That video one?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
We'll see
Goodbye, buddy. Good job. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got it.
There we go. All right, good job.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate it. No problem. Watch your step.
Making sure you're not going.
They're right over there for me.
I see no sad face. See what you see.
Here comes Bubba. That girl, she doesn't have any
She don't
fear.
care.
She don't care about nothing. Do some spinning, honey. I'm gonna have you on camera.
Now, wait, she said.
Strap right here. Alright. I will be nice. I'll push you straight, sweetie.
She's a grandma.
We're about to do the twisting. Bye, Pumpkin!
You gonna step up another step there, Whit?
The rain's not here. They're retarded.
I don't even look under.
Hey, well, cross some feet.
How you doing?
Quit, Whitney.
Ready?
Yeah. That was a good one. Wonderful.
Oh, there it comes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and send you.
All right.
Come on. Come on. Hello. That's what I do for me. I was bracing for impact.
So, do you ever lift or anything like that when you're doing it?
Water's cool over here, y'all.
We'll pass it to you.
All right, watch your step. All right.
Yeah, those are from
Do you ever do anything like it's Superman style thing?
We're working on making one.
There we go.
I'll scrub it. There we go. I got you.
All right.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
You've been right here. You didn't knock them over.
Borderline.
It's a funny thing about speed.
Wait a minute, you need to breathe.
That Newton guy knew what he was talking about.
Yeah, I'm taking it. Perfect job. Look at you go. Are you a zipline guide somewhere?
Perfect job. I didn't get that.
Hold up.
Yes, it will.
Natural. Natural.
Is it on video?
Yeah, I got it. I'm still videoing.
Oh, we'll have to show this all night at the family reunion. That you said that about her.
I know, right?
I'll show my
There you go.
Here comes Catherine.
But he's a 270 pounder.
I see it's right it's all the way over there. I think screaming hurt me worse than that. Calm down. Go.
Go. Sit.
Come on.
Sit.